What is up, legends? It is Aaron Sager here, and it is my mission to empower those living with genital herpes to live their best life, whatever that means for them. And I'm chilling here in my car during quarantine, technically not meant to be out. I'm at a local park. You can see the park's even like cordoned off in the background there. So guys, I'm here today to talk about something that's I've been meaning to do for a long time, and it's actually been ready to go for a long time. It's some free content. It is actually the 4 major keys to help you overcome herpes stigma. And what it is it's a 4-day free online workshop. I'll provide the link down below. It covers 4 aspects. It covers what I consider to be the 4 more important aspects of overcoming herpes stigma. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you would know that I place a lot of my value, I place a lot of importance on overcoming herpes stigma. You see, 95% of the messages that I receive on all platforms, YouTube, Instagram, email, Facebook, 95% of them are people who are not necessarily too worried about the physical symptoms of herpes, as in the physical symptoms aren't what has them, that is what affects them. Like, they're physically fine. What is most affected by having genital herpes is the stigma. You know, people are more worried about whether or not they'll find a partner again, whether or not they'll have children, whether or not, they'll feel good about themselves ever again, whether or not they'll be able to feel free and alive and expressive and accept themselves for who they are. These are all things that have nothing to do with the herpes virus itself. These are all things that have to do with this stigma that is associated, a social and cultural stigma. So in my eyes, sure, it's cool to, look into being healthy and boosting your immune system and doing everything you can to, reduce outbreaks and whatnot. What's most important is how can you get on with your life and live your best life while accepting that you have herpes and being okay with that. That's huge. Like, I really think, and I understand that is a difficult thing to do because I've been there. If you follow my videos, bits and pieces of my story. So what this 4-day free workshop is designed to do is it takes the 4 more important aspects of my 31-day program that I have online, which is a low-cost 31-day program designed specifically to break through the herpes stigma. It takes the 4 major aspects of that program and puts them into a free workshop. It has videos, it has worksheets, it has practical steps that you can take, that I took, that I learned off mentors and coaches and other various resources that helped me overcome the herpes stigma. Now, this is something that it's for people who want to feel themselves again. It's for people who want to, who have forgotten what it was like to feel happy. I remember going for many years unhappy, feeling like a piece of shit, feeling unworthy, feeling disgusting, not wanting to tell sexual partners, being scared to be rejected because of it, all these things. And these days, following the principles that are in both this free 4-day workshop and more so the 31-day breakthrough method program that's also online. I'll provide the link below for that too. It's a bit of an introduction to that. So if you are looking to, be someone who has full acceptance of who they are, with their flaws. Everyone has flaws. You know, it's not, I don't even really consider having herpes a flaw. You know, it's something that is. It's something that is just like everything else. You know, if you want to feel freedom, if you want to feel alive and fullness, if you want to be comfortable disclosing to other people, if you want to have very little to no fear of rejection, if you want to be able to talk about herpes openly, or at least be completely okay with having it, then this is for you. You know, if you want to stay scared and hidden and restricted and limited and in living in fear, you know, then don't then don't look into this. So the links below. I'm really excited. It's the 4 keys, the 4 major keys to overcoming herpes stigma. And there's 4 main topics that we delve into, and it's at the link below. And I encourage you to sign up, but you do it at your own pace. You know, it's all there for you. So jump on in, have a crack, and start taking positive steps. Start taking positive steps to help you overcome something that doesn't have to be a big deal in your life. Peace.